Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add and use music bots on your Discord server. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. I suppose you already have created Discord server with at least one text channel and one voice channel and have opened it in your desktop application or in browser version of Discord. Next, you need to click on the server's name at the top and go to app directory. Here you can find apps and bots for your server. Let's search for a music bot. Let's say this one, which is named Fredbot. Now click on the bot. You can scroll down to read about the bot, about permissions, about comments, and what you need to do is add app. Select server where you wish to add your bot and click continue. Give this bot permissions on your server and click authorize and confirm you're human. Now let's go back to our server. Now the bot is added to your channel and you can manage your bots in server settings. To open settings, click on the server's name or right click on the server's icon and find server settings. Go to overview. Now find integrations in the apps section. And here you can see all your bots. So you can go to Fredbot, learn commands, go to website, contact support, and so on. Now let's close this window and start using your bot. To play music from Music Bot, you need to activate your voice channel first. So click on your voice channel, voice connected, and now go back to your text channel, click on the text field and type in /. Now you can see a list of comments and list of your bots and applications connected to the server. And let's select the play command by Fredbot. Now you need to enter a link or query. A Fredbot can play music from links, but to play music from some sources like Spotify, you need to be a premium subscriber. So let's just use a query so far to let the bot search music by itself. So let's enter the query. Hit enter. Now you can see a list of search results and you need to select which track you wish to play. Let's play the first track. Let's ignore this message so far. Got it? A problem occurred while playing Mick Jagger with Lenny Kravitz. Okay, let's search for another track. Let's say number 2. That's it, guys. Learn the server commands, contact support if you need, subscribe to premium, and enjoy your music bot on your server. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to Guide Mentory, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye, guys.